Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free impromptu training, I just want to show you how to create a thank you page using Optimized Press and System.io. Now, System.io is a free all-in-one marketing builder that I created a video on. It was one of my very first videos that I created when I came back out of retirement a year ago, and essentially, it's sort of, I wouldn't say a watered down, but more of a just a less premium version than Optimized Press. And if you're on a budget, it's the best place to go because it's absolutely free and you can create funnels, you can create thank you pages, sales pages, opt-in pages, checkout pages, the entire email marketing sequence. They even have an autoresponder service. So this is what System.io looks like. If you go here and you go to the top main bar here where it says upgrade your account, dashboard, contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, products, etc. This is all free for you to use. It's completely accessible. And if you want to upgrade to get like a more premium option, I suggest using Optimized Press, me personally, but you can come here. Again, this is for folks that are on a budget. It is a less premium option because it doesn't have all of the templates and the varieties and the features and the small little intricacies that Optimized Press do. If you come here over to their Press suite, they have not only just a funnel builder, they have a funnel visualizer, as you can see here, optimized funnels, but they have a theme that's specifically optimized for marketers and businesses with all the different templates in each of the evergreen markets, as well as checkouts, optimized urgencies, where you can create stuff like countdown timers, and you even have like a course builder, optimized mentor. Now I'm on health and fitness tips, so I'm just going to be creating a funnel using their optimized funnels. I have 3 different examples already in here: customized keto plan, example funnel template, and test samurai. So I'm going to show you how to create a thank you page using this one right here because I already only have a landing page. So I can take this opportunity to connect it to a landing page, and you do that by adding a funnel step here on the funnel visualizer page. Just click on this and you can choose from either existing pages or from a template. So I'm just going to choose from a template, and then this is actually where I can choose all of the different variety. Now I wanted to show you this because this is what I mean as far as like the little intricacies and the more smaller features where you got like funnel stats. You can even do split testing, which you can do with System.io, especially if you upgrade to the more premium option. System.io is a great alternative to ClickFunnels in my personal opinion. The ClickFunnels cheapest plan when I first started in 2017 was $97 a month. Folks who are just getting started or involved in affiliate marketing or just in business or online marketing in general, and they need a marketing suite, ClickFunnels isn't the most cost-friendly, affordable option, so I do recommend System.io. Optimized Press is right there in the middle, but this is actually my preferred option. So I just want to show you this because this is actually how you would choose the variety of different templates. You just come here now, being because this video is about thank you pages, I'm going to choose here where it says thank you pages. You can choose all of the different thank you pages you like. Now, there's a ton of different choices to choose from, so I'm just going to go ahead and just select any one of these. So let's go for the bold things here, just as an example. So, and then you just title it anything you want. I'm just going to choose what it says right here, thank you, and then click on OK. So now that we've chosen our template, it's going to show up here on the funnel visualizer, and you can actually see a preview of the page by hovering over it like so. So this is where you see your stats, your unique visitors, your conversions, your conversion rates. And the funnel visualizer is where you can configure everything, and you can make the integrations to your autoresponder over here where it says optimized press, and you go over to where it says integrations. And then you make those adjustments there. You just make sure that it's connected to your preferred list. And they have all those different options there from MailChimp to GetResponse to Aweber. And then you come back here to your funnel visualizer, and in order to actually edit the page, you click on where it says edit, and then it's going to have a waterfall of settings that comes up here, and you choose edit and optimize builder. Now I have different videos on how to set up and move different elements around using thank you pages and using optimized builder. So I'm going to refer you to my playlist on how to create a sales funnel using optimized press with a checkout page so that you can make those further adjustments and you want to see how that's done. The same with System.io. I actually even have a video that shows you how to create a funnel. So, but I'm just going to show you real quick in regards to the thank you page. So if I were to click on right here where it says Samurai, I already have a landing page created just as with this other site. So what I'm going to do here with System.io, I'm just going to go ahead and add a thank you page. So right here, I have a squeeze page already. So, and if you want to view the funnel, you just click on right here where it says view funnel. And this is just a basic squeeze page that I already have set up for it looks like. Now, typically this isn't something that I would set up. I wouldn't have this much information on it, but the more information, the better. The reason why me personally is because I've just taken a more simplistic approach these days. But nonetheless, the more information, the more invested someone will be in what it is that they're enrolling in. So So there's nothing wrong with that. Long form sales letters do sell better. But getting back to system.io, if I wanted to actually add a funnel step, then what I'll have to do over here, I just click on where it says create a step, and then I just choose from the different types. So you click on that drop down arrow, choose from thank you page, order forms, upsells, etc. In this case, I'll just choose thank you page, and I'll call it thank you samurai. And that way I'll have it saved into the funnel. And as you can see, it's connected to the testing samurai page with a squeeze page, the opt-in page. And then after that, it goes to the thank you page. And this is where you can configure everything and you choose from the variety of different templates. Now, as you can see here, as I was saying, they do have A/B testing. They do have stats. You can check on your leads here and you can configure everything so you have it connected to your preferred checkout software, whether it be Stripe or PayPal. That way you know if you actually made a sale or not. So one more thing that I want to show you before we wrap this video up is a website called Swipeworthy. You can actually come here to get a lot of different inspiration for your different templates. So if you're looking for thank you pages or checkout pages or just different advertorials or editorials or advertising in general that's worked in the past, has been proven over decades, if not centuries, then you can come in here for all the different types of pages, whether it be about pages, banner ads, brochures, bundlings, call to actions. So if we were just looking at call to actions here, you can get some good inspiration here when it comes to your landing page and your thank you pages. Because I typically use thank you pages as an opportunity to send people to my affiliate product. Me personally, I'll send them to a bonus page first. And then from that bonus page is where I give them even more of an incentive to go to my affiliate offer. So I always use that as just sort of like an in between. I'll give them even more of a reason. So by the time they get to my affiliate offer, they have 3 different additional incentives that go along with it. So, but I always use the thank you page as the opportunity to tell folks, hey, your email is getting sent to your inbox. Be sure to check it. If you don't see it in your inbox, whitelist our emails. It's more than likely going to be in your spam folder. But while you're waiting on that, right below this video, it'll be like a call to action that sends people to my bonus page. And this is what the bonus page looks like, by the way. If you want to see that, I'll just show you real quick. So if you go to the bonus page from my thank you page, it's actually going to send people to my main sales page, will be for my main course. So this is what I typically have people get redirected to from my thank you page. And it's just an additional incentive for them to buy my home business blueprint. If they get it from here, I give them these additional bonuses. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. A little impromptu, but I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I recommend that you subscribe to my channel. Check out the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this video. And also be sure to check out my website, jonathancoates.com, for everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. Speaking of traffic, if you're looking to get high quality droves of leads to your business on a consistent, regular basis for free using free traffic strategies, then I recommend that you check out the Limitless Traffic Formula. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.